In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use filters in Excel to manage and view your data more efficiently. Working with large data sets can quickly become overwhelming, but don't worry. Filters are here to make your life easier by allowing you to display precisely the information you need while temporarily hiding the rest. Whether you're dealing with numerical data or text, Excel's filtering feature will be your best friend in maintaining focus and clarity. Let's start with the basics. First, make sure you're within your data range by clicking on any cell that houses your information. Now shift your attention to the ribbon at the top of the screen and look for the Data tab. Once you've found it, you'll notice a filter option. Click on that and you'll see small arrows appearing next to each heading in your dataset. These arrows will be our tools to apply the desired filters. Now suppose you're focusing on text or numbers. Click on one of those arrows to reveal a drop-down menu. Here you'll find options to filter text, aptly named text filters, or for numbers, called number filters. These filters enable you to tailor your data view based on specific criteria you choose. Once you've selected either text filters or number filters, you'll need to select a comparison method that best suits your data analysis needs. Whether you want to filter by cells containing a specific value, those that begin with a particular letter or number, or any other condition, there's a broad range of options available to refine your dataset. Enter your desired values into the input bar that shows up, and once you're satisfied with your choices, click OK. Instantly, Excel applies the filter and updates your view, presenting only the rows that match your criteria. This can significantly declutter your workspace, especially when you're handling extensive datasets. If you've opted to format your data as a table beforehand, good news. Excel has already done some of the heavy lifting for you. Within tables, filter arrows are automatically enabled, sparing you an extra step. All you need to do is click the arrow in the column you're interested in filtering. A drop-down list will appear, allowing you to uncheck the Select All option. From there, you can manually select only the specific items you wish to display. Hit OK, and see how Excel gracefully simplifies your dataset, presenting only the rows pertinent to your needs. And there you have it. By using these straightforward filtering techniques, you can transform Excel from a chaotic spreadsheet into a clear and precise tool that highlights only the most relevant data for your task. With practice, this will become second nature and a vital part of your data management arsenal. Thanks for tuning in, and happy filtering.